What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Got some drilling going on outside. Apologies, I also have the hiccups. No, I'm not drunk. I don't drink anymore or do drugs, even though people comment all the time asking me if I do. Sorry, let me try to stop the hiccups. We don't want to be doing that for the entire video. Okay, Gala Games, we're sitting at 0.02203. We're up 3.15 on the day. Seeing a market cap up 611 million, 24-hour volume 34 million. Let's hop to the chart. So we have seen a nice reaction. Now, personally, I guess these hiccups aren't going to stop. I would like to see one more higher high in a 5-wave move, and then you'd have a small inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head. Come up, put in a right shoulder before breaking out back to the upside. Because as of right now, it just looks like 3 waves up. And if it's only 3 waves up and we roll over, then we can create one more lower low. But we are seeing a nice reaction to the 78.6. So I'd like to see one more higher high to confirm an impulse and then see a little bit of pullback before continuation back to the upside. Because we just roll over now. Sorry about that. If we just roll over now, we could potentially still create one more lower low. Yeah, daily time frame. If the money flow gets back above the 50 line, that would be a good signal. A lot of money is flowing into Gala right now. Excuse me. We're currently in 3 Gala trades, 3 ongoing Gala trades. This is one of them. We have 2 others. So we need to get back above those daily EMAs. If we are going to see that continuation to the upside. So one more higher high to confirm an impulse would be good for a bullish case, but if we roll over from here, the potential for one more lower low is there. But I think there's a decent chance if we get that higher high, we're going to put in that inverse head and shoulders and see continuation back to the upside. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to BTCC, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian trader. Sorry about that. Traders who are dying for an exchange, email me after you make your first deposit. Completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, forex signals, forex analysis. Completely for free with a sign-up deposit to BitConnect. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. All links down below. My apologies for the hiccups. See you in the next video. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Much love. Take care.